All right, so welcome everyone. Today is day one of a new batch of our AWS Cloud training we do right here at iCloud Now. And my name is Sudhanshu Thakur. I am an Amazon Certified Solutions Architect. I run a company called Data Metis. We do consulting, big data consulting. Uh, I teach machine learning and all this big data class and AWS class. All right, so there's me and Chris. I used to work in healthcare at GSK GlaxoSmithKline for a very long time, 18 years, and I have, let's just say, I have some data experience. I used to work in data warehouse, handle a lot of data. Chris is a cloud architect, IBM, again, lots of experience, and so we both started doing it. What we thought that, hey, there's a lot of training out there, tons and tons of training, and some very good training on the internet. iCloud, iCloud Guru, and Cloud Academy, a whole bunch. But to have it local in classroom, and so we can interact with people and people can ask questions, and we kind of, how do you say it, hold hands, as opposed to watching a video. I mean, I watch a lot of videos, but anytime I have a question, so I can't ask ask the video guy. But, and so ours is, I tell people ours is expensive too. You can get a lot cheaper training on the internet. So so we try to, Chris and I try to insert our experience, right, with it. And when we talk about data and stuff, I try to insert and do some samples based on what I learned. So it's more richer than just learning about the AWS services. Or that's our value add, I guess. And the other value add is interaction. And so how is this course structured? Because now I have taught it a few times. We started with 20 lectures, but now I'm seeing it's turning into 25. And I was also learning there's no point rushing it. A lot of people coming to us from non-IT backgrounds, and it doesn't work. So sometimes I'll take the same lecture 2 or 3 times, whatever. So we do 25 lectures, 2 hours each. Why 2 hours? Because human brain, most people cannot take it. Most people, and especially after work and things, 2 hours is quite a bit, right? Your brain will and these are all new things. So we do 2 hours. I say lab means what? Going into the console and doing and learning, setting things up, just running it, destroying it, so on. That's what I mean, the lab. It is also geared towards get you certified. It's not the thing. And learning is the thing. But most people, when they're learning, they like, hey, why not? Just me have the label, right? I'm certified. Yeah. And so they'll try to get the certification too. Many of our students have, and they have passed the test. And so we have I have prepared a custom exam prep guide, which some people say it's useful. And then what we also do, something interesting, is that whoever's taking the test, say next week, right? So over the weekend or something, all of us, or many of us, will get together, and I'll ask everyone to bring like 5 or 10 difficult questions, right? And we'll get together, make some tea or some bubbles. And then the student who's taking the test will grill the student for 2, 3, 4 hours, right? Sometimes we'll do 2 of those sessions, and hopefully that's useful too. But again, exam is just one thing. Just like with any other certification, these certifications are not easy. They are not, you just by rote, you remember this and you can pass the test, you can. So in the process of preparing for the certification, you end up learning anyway. There's no way not to learn. That's how I see it. Right, so we do that. You saw Chintan, you're not on the Slack yet, right? There's a peer discussion portal called Slack.
I am.
But you're in our Slack. Okay, very good. Oh, you added? Okay.
He talked. So
okay. Okay. So then please actively participate in that, right? I send too much stuff, so it may get overwhelming. So keep track of it, just like your email, or at least 2 or 3 times a day, because or else if you get behind, it'll be like, whoa.
Yes, I saw the link over there, of course, but I was driving. So Just I did not have a chance.
No, that's okay. I mean, this is it. This is what I sent you, what I'm talking now, right? That you probably then you have seen. Yeah. So Slack is very important, and what we do now, all our ex-students are in that. You saw it, and so we ask questions and people answer, and then of course the videos and stuff. So it's good, just like it's like WhatsApp, yes. Yeah, and a lot of people find it useful. We also help people with the job placement assistance. Our people have we have gotten people placed, and so that's a very nice feeling when they say, "Oh, whatever you guys taught." So that's nice. I mean, it's not some magic, right? I mean, we know some people because we are in this area for so long. I've been in this area for 20 years. So, Chris, so we know people. And it's not even knowing people. People want to find people with this kind of skill. So it's not a hard sell. Okay. It's not a hard sell. People want certified people. There was a AWS senior technical guy here. He sent me a note a couple of weeks ago that how many students you have and how many are certified, we'll take them all. And so it's good. So that I would definitely encourage. That's nothing connected with this course, but I would definitely encourage to be part of it. Maybe possibly do a presentation someday. And it's so that's kind of the structure. Now you may have a question that 25 lectures, how? We can just go flat every day. And as I was saying on chat earlier today, that's up to you guys. I mean, this is the course material we have to do. Now, we stay up late tonight and do 50 hours straight, and or do that in 25, or do it meet 2, 3 times a week. So now we have parallel things going on. So it's really up to you guys to drive it. I'm this time if this works, or a little later we can do 5:30 if that travel you need some travel time. In the beginning, I would want to meet at least daily so you can catch up and then merge with the whole team and then because the more interaction, what I have noticed, the more interaction we have, the quality of teaching, the quality of the value you get increases because everyone will bring their perspective and then question as while I'm asking a question, someone is answering, someone is doing a Google search like, oh, it's this, and then that person reads. It's just better. All right, koi sawal? Any question with this, right? So, okay, and we do, create the video. We publish the video on Slack and everything. It's kind of, so how's the curriculum? Meet with instruction, prerequisite, certification roadmap. And then we talk about cloud. I mean, we got to talk about what cloud is. And then we go into the meat of the course, which is to learn about AWS. So these are the kind of key high-level services: compute, storage, networking, as you would imagine, right? Database, analytics, some application frameworks. Also, one thing I say and no one listens is that every hour we spend here, you have to put in 2 hours at home. So meaning 2 hours, and it's a lot, but we can only do so much here. There's so much information out there, right? And we'll post a lot of videos. I personally have access to all the other lots of quizzes and stuff, and subject materials, white papers, and so you got to do that self-study behind the scene. It'd be hard to catch up, right? Because you new things, and then once you find a pattern, then like, oh, so that's what it is. But at the beginning, you have to put some time to get that pattern to establish in your head. So that's what a curriculum is. All right. So what is cloud computing? Well,